Hey tech fans! After the successful launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in July 2024, rumors have been swirling about an exciting new addition to Samsung's foldable lineup, a Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Recent leaks are fueling the buzz, and it looks like Samsung is gearing up to launch its thinnest foldable yet with some seriously impressive features. Until now, we've only had whispers and speculation about this new foldable device, but that's changing today. A leaked render of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition has surfaced online, giving us our first look at this highly anticipated smartphone. According to Android headlines, this leaked image confirms several key design elements, and we're here to break it all down for you. But before we dive into the details, let's rewind a bit. Right after the Galaxy Z Fold 6 hit the market, rumors began circulating about a new, smaller model. Initially referred to as the Z Fold 6 Slim or Z Fold 6 Ultra, it was believed to be Samsung's most compact foldable yet. Eventually, the name settled on the Z Fold Special Edition, and the tech world has been buzzing with excitement ever since. So what makes this special edition so special? One of the most thrilling rumors is that this new foldable will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera. That's a huge leap from the 50-megapixel camera found on the Z Fold 6 and could make the Z Fold Special Edition a game-changer for mobile photography. With competition in the foldable market heating up, a 200MP camera would definitely set this device apart from its rivals. On top of that, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is expected to have a thinner profile and the largest screens yet in a Samsung foldable. If true, this could make it one of the most elegant and user-friendly foldable phones we've ever seen. Samsung clearly isn't slowing down when it comes to dominating the foldable smartphone industry. With the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 already setting a high bar earlier this year, this special edition model could cement Samsung's lead in this innovative market. There's exciting news about the under-display camera. Originally launched with a 4-megapixel sensor on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the special edition will reportedly upgrade to a 5-megapixel sensor. Now, that might sound like a small bump, but it's a significant upgrade in terms of sharpness and clarity. This improvement could address past critiques, as the new sensor is designed to capture more light, resulting in better quality selfies and video calls when using the inner display. Samsung has always delivered when it comes to camera performance on their traditional smartphones, but this could be their big move to bring top-tier photography to the foldable space. A 200MP sensor on a foldable? That's a game-changer. Another cool feature from the leaked image is the seamless hinge design. When unfolded, the hinge remains hidden, giving the phone a sleek and polished look. The frame is also slightly boxier with rounded sides, similar to the Z Fold 6, but with subtle refinements that make it look even more modern.